This is actually how you use the higher timeframes in confluence to your lower timeframes, okay? So clearly here, you can see we are creating lower lows and lower highs on the 4-hour time frame. You can see we violated structure to the downside below 136,200, okay? So now that we've seen an impulse to the downside, I want to see some sort of correction and exhaustion on the 4-hour time frame, and then scale down to my lower time frames in order to look for an entry intraday. So you can see we are potentially starting a correction in the market. If this is the swing low, I want to see a retracement in and around the 50% to 60% retracement, okay? Don't overcomplicate things with the fibs, keep it very simple, but it's nice to know that there are confluences in this area. So now we're looking at some corrective price action. Let's jump down to the 15-minute time frame and observe what's actually going on. So this is the 15-minute time frame. You can clearly see at the moment we have bullish market structure indicated by these higher lows and higher highs in the market, okay? So in order for us to look for shorts, we want to see a structural change to the downside, okay? We need our lower timeframes, our lower timeframe structure to line up with our higher timeframe structure and higher timeframe bias, which is currently bearish at the moment. So you can see we've had some sort of reaction off this level, but we're still waiting for structure to change, okay? Okay, so what we see here is the first lower high and the first lower low in terms of structure. So now the structure's starting to change. What I want to see is a pullback, an exhaustion, and a sign that we will continue to the downside. Okay, so in terms of structure, we violated structure to the downside, bearish print. Our lower time frame structure now lines up with our higher time frame bias and higher time frame structure. 3-to-1 risk to reward, target the low. Okay, price moved to 1-to-1, stops the break even, secure some profits, allow a runner to run. Okay, so that's pretty much TP hit, around a 2-to-1 right now. Going to secure some more profits, and then just allow another small piece to run. Okay, so that's pretty much TP hit. That's how you use the higher time frames in confluence to your smaller time frames. Make sure your smaller time frames line up with your higher time frames and that your structure is the same on both. Thank you.
Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share insane 15-minute forex scalping strategy that works. To understand this strategy, we open the EUR/USD 15 minutes time frame and draw major trend lines as well as zone area. As you see that candle break trend line as well as zone area. So now this zone area acts as a support. At this point, you see that candle retest trend line and a long bullish candle formed. So here we place a buy trade. But first we draw the resistance zone. This will help us to set the target profit price of this trade. We won this trade. At this stage, you will see that candle break our resistance zone. So now this resistance turns into support. As you see that candle retest zone area and a long bullish candle formed. So here we place a buy trade. We won this trade too. Now time to draw a supportive trend line. Here you will see that candle got rejection through trend line and candle break resistance zone as well. So here we place a buy trade. We won this trade. As you will see that candle break support zone. So now support turns into resistance. At this point, you will see that too many pin bar candles formed. So here we place a sell trade. We won this trade too. Now time to draw a supportive trend line. Here you will see that candle got rejection through trend line and candle break support zone as well. So here we place a buy trade. We won this last trade too. If you like my strategy, please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.